Hey friends, I'm super excited because my Scentsy Club order just arrived and I thought it'd be fun to unbox it and show you what we have in here. So if you're not familiar with Scentsy Club, just to get you familiar with it, it is a auto subscription. You can sign up with Scentsy and there's no fee whatsoever to do it. And in fact, you get discounts. So you're gonna get a discount depending on how much you spend. And there's even a point when you can actually get a half price item. And so that's what I take advantage of. And you can set it up to happen every month, every 2 months, or every 3 months. Can cancel at any time. And then some of my favorite features I'll talk about as we get in here. So let's see what we have in my Scentsy Club. I have this particular Scentsy Club set up for every 3 months. So it comes every 3 months. And I love it. Oh, that's my half price. I'm going to save that last. So in my Scentsy Club, that comes every 3 months. The biggest thing that I get are wax bars that are discontinued. Because the Scentsy Club allows you to do what's called always get my bar. So if there is a scent that is being discontinued, for example, at the end of August, if a scent is going away, but you're like, I love that scent year round, you can add it to Scentsy Club and Scentsy will continue to make it for you. Or if you're like, hey, a scent is discontinued and then it comes back for a short time, you can also add it in there too. So that's what you'll find in here. They are still sending, because it's hot, depending on where you live, they are still sending the ice packs. And so you don't have to worry about that. I know some people ask me like, wait, it's gonna melt, it's hot. Okay, so let's see what I got in here. Okay, so this is National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. I get 3 of those. I really like this scent a lot. And when it came out, I wasn't sure if they would continue to have it as an option. And so I wanted to make sure that I had plenty to help me and any of my, people who like, I really need that. So National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation is in here. Let's see what else. Ooh, the Disney Castle. Now, some of these may not still be available to add to Scentsy Club, but there's other scents that would be in Scentsy Club that you can add that you love right now. So, ooh, 50th. Oh, there's 3 of these. Actually, there's a lot more than 3 of these. There's 6. I forgot. 6 of those, because that is a favorite for sure. Another favorite. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is like, there's so many good favorites in here. I love my club. I love my club so much. This one's Jack's Obsession. If you have not ever smelled Jack's Obsession, you're missing out. It is truly a favorite. James thinks it's more of just a fall one, but I secretly use it year round. Love it, love it, love it. 3 of those, of course. Again, I get my subscription every 3 months, so I gotta make sure they last for me. Oh, more favorites down in here. Where's the 3rd one of this? Oh my gosh, y'all. Another favorite. See, I always say this is my favorite, and then I'm like, there's a lot of favorites. So this one is Stitch. Oh my gosh. Stitch. If you haven't smelled Stitch, you need to smell Stitch. It's literally amazing. And I'm pretty sure that one is available, so you could add it to your club. Okay, another favorite, because I have so many favorites. Ariel. Oh my gosh, Ariel is also in my club. 3 of these, because these are so good. Oh, they're so good. It's like ocean, fresh, just amazing. Look, I got all these bars on it. Okay, y'all, when Scentsy sent us on a Mediterranean cruise back in 2019, I think it was 2019, 2018, 2019, I think it was 2019. Anyways, they gave us an exclusive scent on that trip. And James and I were both so obsessed with it. We saved that bar for a long time in our drawer. Like literally, I used all but 2 pieces, and I would just open it and smell it, open it and smell it. And then, oh, even though I loved that it was an exclusive for us, I was really happy when Scentsy said, we want everyone to have that scent. Provence lavender. Oh my gosh. I am not a lavender person, but this scent, oh, it just sends me back there every time. Europe, Italy, France. It reminds me so much of that trip, and it's so good. It's so good. Even if you're not a lavender person, you should smell it. It's so good. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. All right, this is a favorite of James, of course. If you haven't seen his video, I should share it again just to remind all of you. But since it's not out right now, then maybe I shouldn't. But you should go look on our YouTube channel. Check out James' Lord of the Rings video because it is the best. But he loves this scent, Shire Sunrise. Honestly, y'all, I could probably have a million more bars in my club. But these are just the ones that we were like, we cannot live without them if they go away. The other ones we just stock up on regularly all the time, right? And then this one is not so much a favorite of mine, but I have some special people that it is a favorite of. And this one is Vanilla Suede. Vanilla Suede. Oh my goodness gracious. Vanilla Suede. Vanilla Suede. So in this particular club order, and I can show you another one later that's got some other special stuff in it. I have all wax bars, but that order gets me over $60, and over $60 means I get a discount on my order, I get a discount on my shipping, and I get a half price item. And if you have never heard me talk about it, I should talk about it more because these things are amazing. Scentsy Swipes. They are wipes. Oh my gosh. We use these kitchen, bathroom, everywhere. They smell. This one is Squeeze a Day. And this is what I use my half price item for. So I get this for half price. Sometimes I'll switch it up. It kind of depends on how much I have in stock of these. So actually I probably should switch it up again. Because a lot of times I'll do the big tub of washer whisks for my half price. I like to pick my big ticket item, big price item for my half price. You can also use a whiff box. A lot of my customers love it for a whiff box, and you can get the whiff box half price. So if you're already spending the money for Scentsy anyways, you might as well get discount shipping, discount on your order, and half price items, right? So anyways, hope you guys are having a great day, and that's my Scentsy Club order. Let me know if you want more information, and I'll drop the link below. Bye!